Alright, we're through down here. Just wanted to give you a brief tour of update for the property. We're got a couple of things done the last couple of days, and in Bell Garden. So just give you a quick update. Alright, see you soon. So this is the walkthrough.
Come on, you guys!
Just taking a look at the property and the updates. Just a couple updates, but take a look together. Seems like everything's kind of calming down in LA. Thank God. Hope you all have been doing okay. Alright, just a couple of the room here has a light here up there, and we decided actually to make everything smooth. So everything's looking good in this room. No more textured walls, just making it smooth. Alright, hi. We're gonna make a closet here. Make a cabinet here, right?
Yeah.
Make a cabinet. Yeah, a little pantry. We're gonna make a pantry here.
Yeah.
This is the location for this kitchen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks.
Okay.
There's the living room. You all seen it before. And this is the bedroom number 2. Everything's smooth like you saw before. And the closet, looking fantastic. Fantastic closet with the light. Looking good. Okay, room number 1. This is actually the room you created. Made a room for. And this is gonna have, I believe we're gonna have a door directly into the bathroom here. And they already added the shower. And that's going to be the location, the one over there, for the sink. And this will be the location for the toilet and closet. Right here, closet. Everything looking beautiful, looking good. Just an update video. Once again, we decided to keep this wall here because it's going to be the washer dryer room, and you know, the washer and dryer is going to be a little bit loud, so decided to just keep it. All right, update for the kitchen in the back unit. This is the location for the shower, and this is where the toilet will be. And this is be the location for the sink. Next one. We did quite a bit for here as well. There'll be a window right here. And then the closet, big closet here. And I decided to update it. So they finished the closet already. Finished the closet. Quite beautiful. As you can see, the texture on this as well as and smooth. Okay, nice. And then there will be a window on this side. Everything's looking very good, very smooth. All right, Toro. Very good. So, just a quick update video. Kind of polished out some of the walls and filled up some of the drywall with you know, that pasty stuff, and yeah, we're progressing quite nicely. It should be done in, I want to say, about 2 weeks. I think initially we said 2-3 weeks. I think we got another 2 weeks ago. So anyways, hope everyone's staying safe in your respective cities. And yeah, let's pray for healing and restoration, racial harmony, and just let's just pray for our country to heal up right now. Yeah, so thank you for joining me. Hope you guys have a safe and harmonious and peaceful and blessed time wherever you are. All right, thank you so much. God bless. Take care. See you soon. Bye.